Law of Attraction, Techniques for Instant Manifestation. Introduction. Welcome to the 7-day manifestation journey. We are immensely happy and grateful that you are taking the step in creating your reality by manifesting your desires to live a more successful, happy, and abundant life. You participating in this program proves that you are ready to take a leap of faith and are willing to make changes in your life by taking ownership of your health, wealth, happiness, relationship, success, abundance, and prosperity. In this program, we will be giving you tools and techniques you'll be needing to manifest anything in your life. May it be something small or something big, you'll be getting more clarity on the law of attraction practices and what the tools and techniques are that work best for you. In this program, we will give you a step-by-step process on programming your mind at a subconscious level and make it your strongest asset to trust the universe and manifest with the law of attraction. Make sure you go through each day step by step to master the art of manifestation. Now, let's begin. Manifestation, Day 1. The power of letting go and giving up resistance. Every day, our mind is filled with clusters of thoughts that come and go. Most of these thoughts tend to come negatively, and we are not even aware of it. This creates a reaction in our bodies that brings resistance in the process of manifestation. Imagine a bucket of dirty water filled with sand or mud. Now imagine your mind to be the bucket and the negative thoughts to be the dirt. When your mind is always restless, it is like a bucket that is always negatively vibrating. But if you keep the bucket still and wait for the sand or mud to settle down, you will finally get clear water. Our goal today is to make your mind still by taking out negative thoughts so that it's ready to fill with positive affirmations and make your manifestations work with least resistance. So, from today, anytime you get a negative thought in your mind, be aware of it. Understand that it is a negative thought that is arising in your mind, and let go of it by saying, I let go of this negative thought and refuse to let it create a resistance to my manifestation. Attachment to negativity brings you nothing but resistance to positive thoughts. You might get a lot of negative thoughts a day, but with time, it will become lesser and lesser, and you will start to find more space to manifest your desires. So, we end our first day by learning the power of letting go, by practicing a simple technique of being aware of the negative thoughts and letting it go by using a simple affirmation. I let go of this negative thought and refuse to let it create a resistance to my manifestation. Remember, repetition is key. The more you repeat of letting go, it becomes imprinted in your subconscious mind, and it will slowly turn into a habit with time. Someday, your mind will be programmed with this technique that even a negative thought arises in your mind, it will automatically go away. Also remember not to be frustrated and keep calm. With practice, even living amongst very negative people, you will be able to keep a positive attitude and stay much happier. It sounds like a simple technique, but it is a powerful one. Don't be fooled by its simplicity. After doing this, you will be ready for day 2. We will see you again in day 2, where we will be learning to set up our goals for your desires.